Remember the 5th of November. Why do people in the UK remember this day? Whole parks are taken over by fireworks, there are hot dogs, there are burgers, food. People gather to watch fireworks or bonfires across the UK. In 1605, there was a man that tried to blow up Parliament and assassinate King James I. He was unsuccessful after a member of Parliament received an anonymous letter telling him not to be there on that day. The plot was then discovered. Guy Fawkes was... And in 1606, the country said November the 5th will be a day of celebration.